My earliest food memory, I still remember what my mom used to cook for my lunchbox in my school times. You know, the brinjal and green peas curry with the sambar and steamed rice. And she always used to give me a small box that sabudan ki kheer. I came to the industry without having any knowledge about the industry. I studied hotel management and I thought that I'll become a GM or a manager of some hotel. This is what has been briefed me when I chosen this course. My first day of a training fortunately came into the kitchen. After my first day of a job, when I went back to the home, it made me so interesting that I think, yes, this is what where I belong. Initially there was no inspiration, but the cooking itself has made me inspired to continue as a chef right now. Just keep it simple and authentic and keep it as fresh as possible. If there is a little bit of seasoning less, but still if the food is being made fresh, it's going to sort it out the entire meal. I think people are going to enjoy it. That's what I believe in. I belong to coastal area, basically Vizag. I love to eat a lot of seafood. You know, the best way to have a seafood is a grilling. You know, that's something that the barbecuing of fish, just with a simple salt and pepper and just grill the fish. I think you will love it. That's what I personally prefer. At home, if you really ask me, there's no appetizer. There's a straight main course that when you eat meals at home, I think I would always say main course is something which is, I'm a simple eater where directly would like to go and have a meal. So I would always say main course is my right pick. It's frankly speaking sambar and chawal. You know, why I would say, because I still remember my grandma. Whenever we go to village, the one thing that I would love to eat, the way she make the sambar, the flavor and the essence of curry leaves, I really truly cherish that moment every time. And this is something which is, you give me every day, I would love to eat every day in fact. Having seafood with too much of spice, which is something I can't resist myself. I know it's not healthy, but still, I would love to have my seafood always as a spicy. Ghee, that's one thing that avoid using in the food. Clarified butter basically. People are more into the health conscious. That's something I really wanted to control, this butter and then ghee, which is especially in Indian food as well as in Western food, something like clarified butter. The both I really wanted to avoid as much as possible at the food. When I was in my college, whenever I used to cook food at home to try the same stuff what I've learned in my college, the biggest critics used to be my mom and dad. They used to give a lot of names to it. That's where I started taking it as a challenge. I think if I cannot convince the people, if I'm satisfied, but more than that, the other people also have to satisfied. I still remember one of the place in Malleshwaram, it was Halli Manai, where you got the best bani dosa. I still remember. That's one of the places that I would love to go. And then I recently found one place close to my home. It's like they make 101 dosas and they make yum dosa. That's one thing that I would love to see there. Pastis in New York, that's one of the restaurants which is like, more happening place, more over the food and as well as the ambience. I still remember that restaurant, the way it has a lot of liveliness in the restaurant, and even the food is also yum. And second, in India, I think one of the restaurant called Malacca Spice in Pune, that's one thing, that's one of the best dining experience that I ever had in my life. Once I traveled with my wife to a place called Anantigiri, which is at Araku. It's close to Vizag in Andhra Pradesh. And we had to dine in one small house in the village, and the lady cooked a chicken called bongu chicken, and that's very unique dish. She stuffed the chicken in the bamboo and then it was cooked on the charcoal. The flavor is very unique and it's yum, and that's something, one of the best food memory I had in my travel. I do cook at home on Sunday evenings to impress my wife and children. The curries and dal is something that we cook at home. I recently cooked food for Mr. Narendra Modi when he came for International Fleet Review in Vizag, and I cooked for him Kashmiri thali, I still remember, and then I did katta baigan for him, and I did rajma chawal, I did jeera pulao, and I did firni for him. This is something I got to know that he likes the simple food, so this is something I cooked for him recently for Mr. Modi ji. Chef Gordon Ramsay, I would love to work with him any day. I've seen a lot of his videos and I follow him a lot. He believes in keep it simple. The flavors are very unique the way he finds it, and he's a very disciplined at kitchen. That's something which every chef would like to be. We were doing a food tasting for one of the important event in Hyderabad, and suddenly the snapper is turned out to be very hard. It is unfortunate, it's an old snapper, we could not find it. it's been brought to the table, and my exec chef is also sitting at the table for the tasting. He cut the snapper and he found it has been hard, and he messaged me. And the way we reacted immediately, just we went to the table directly, and I had to go and say apologize, and then went wrong, and this is one of the biggest disaster that I faced in the past. I remember one guest who asked me, "Can I have a vegetable chicken biryani?" Which was very strange, but yes, there is a biryani in Andhra. They call it as a vegetable biryani, but they use a mock meat in that, which initially I was not aware when he asked for it, and which was very, very strange request for me on that day. I would have become a scientist. In fact, I've done a BSc Industrial Chemistry. I've cleared the second year also. In fact, I thought I will get into it, but due to certain reasons at the hotel workplace when I was a chef, so I could not make it. Then otherwise, I would have become a scientist by this time. So. Pizza is one thing because it's been more popular, and if I would have invented that, I would have been very, very happy. And because a lot of people loves it, and not only elder generation, even the kids also love that. And the option, the variation that we can create on the pizza, it's huge. That's why if I would have been invented that, then I would have been more happy. I generally cook a lot of seafood, especially grilled salmon with worm salad, niswa, and anchovy butter, which was my award-winning dish for the Marriott International as the best chef of the year in 2010. And that's one dish that I always proud, and I've received a great appreciation for this dish in particular.